Number 1. 1994 Ford F350, price $6,500, with approximately 250,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a strong 460 cubic inch gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, it runs, drives, and shifts decently for its age. While not perfect, the truck has had several recent maintenance items addressed and remains free of any major leaks or smoke. The exterior is finished in white and is impressively straight and rust-free, with the exception of some dings, scratches, and a rough tailgate. It's not heavily beat up, maintaining the overall integrity of the body. A ranch hand grill guard adds extra durability up front, and a gooseneck ball is already installed in the bed for towing needs. The tires are in fair condition and still have usable life left. Inside, the gray interior is in overall nice condition. The truck features cold air conditioning and strong heat, making it comfortable in any season. The front power windows and locks are fully operational, while the rear doors operate manually. A new windshield is scheduled to be installed soon, which will further improve visibility and driving comfort. Number 2. 1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,800. This truck is a very clean and well-maintained example of a classic American pickup. Finished in brown exterior paint with a matching brown interior, it retains a timeless look. The truck is powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 engine and has only 121,000 miles on the odometer, making it a strong candidate for both daily driving and weekend cruising. It comes with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, cold AC, and power windows, offering comfort and convenience. With a clean Texas title and just 3 previous owners, this Sierra has clearly been cared for over the years. It runs on gasoline and shows minimal wear, making it one of the cleaner trucks of its age on the market. Number 3. 1995 Ford F350, price $8,600, with only 99,700 original miles. It comes equipped with a strong and reliable drivetrain paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, making it a solid choice for daily driving or light-duty work. The truck features a regular cab and a long bed, offering ample space for hauling. The red exterior shows some age-related wear, with the clear coat beginning to flake on the cap, but overall, the body remains presentable. The gray interior is impressively clean for its age, and all dashboard controls function properly. The air conditioning blows cold, adding comfort during warmer days. Recent maintenance includes an oil change and full fluid service. It also has brand new tires and brakes, ensuring it's road ready. The truck comes with a clean title and has no accident history. Additionally, it includes the original running boards and cap, making it a great example of a well-preserved, classic American pickup. Number 4. 1997 Chevrolet 3500, price $5,800. This truck is in exceptional condition for its age, showing just how well it has been maintained over the years. With 284,000 miles on the odometer, it still runs and drives like a new truck. Powered by the strong and reliable 7.4L 454 V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission, it delivers impressive performance. The exterior is finished in classic white, while the interior features a clean gray color scheme. This truck comes with a full set of service records, a new inspection, and brand new tires. It's a local vehicle with absolutely zero rust, which is rare for a truck of this vintage. Additional features include ice-cold air conditioning, power windows and locks, and an 8-foot bed, making it ideal for work or hauling. This gasoline-powered 3500 is not just a dependable daily driver but a solid investment for anyone needing heavy-duty capability. Number 5. 1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, featuring an automatic transmission and a matching burgundy exterior and interior. It runs on gasoline and remains in solid mechanical condition. With recent updates that add significant value, the truck has undergone 2 major repairs in recent history. In May 2024, a brand new exhaust system was professionally installed. Then, in November 2024, the original engine was replaced at 298,000 miles with a Jasper remanufactured 350 V8 engine, which comes with a transferable 3-year warranty. Full documentation for both repairs is available. Additionally, in April 2024, the current owner installed a fresh set of BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, which are included in the sale. Number 6. 1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000. It's a regular cab model with a short bed and is configured with rear-wheel drive. The truck is powered by a V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission and has approximately 220,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a sleek gray exterior, this Chevy also comes equipped with a bed cover and a locking tailgate, offering added utility and security for cargo. Inside, it features an aftermarket Bluetooth stereo system, which includes a subwoofer conveniently installed under the passenger seat, providing upgraded sound quality for a better driving experience. Despite its mileage, this truck remains a reliable option with a clean, straightforward setup ideal for everyday use or as an affordable secondary vehicle. Number 7. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, with 216,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 350 TBI engine paired with an automatic transmission with overdrive that shifts smoothly. The truck is finished in its original silver paint, which is starting to show a natural patina, adding to its vintage appeal. Inside, it sports a clean burgundy interior that complements the overall look. Recently purchased for $8,500, the current owner has invested an additional $2,500 in improvements, making it a reliable and attention-grabbing vehicle. Among the upgrades is a completely new AC system, including a new compressor, dryer, and all lines converted to R134A refrigerant for modern performance. The truck also rides on new wheels and tires, and the ignition system has been fully refreshed with new plugs, wires, a distributor, and all new sensors. Number 8. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000. It has 200,000 miles and is powered by a 5.7L V8. It runs and drives well, with several upgrades already done. It features new dual Flowmaster exhaust, 454 SS wheels with new tires, and a C-notch with a flip kit in the rear. The suspension has been refreshed with new shocks, extenders, and front-end components. The interior includes newly recovered low-profile bucket seats with a center console, new carpet, and tinted windows. Recent maintenance includes new plugs, a new battery, a new fuel tank and pump, a new windshield, and new brakes. Some parts like door handles, window switches, and trim still need to be installed, but they are included. A solid and stylish classic truck with great potential. Number 9. 1987 Chevrolet R10, price $8,500. This truck is a classic square-body pickup with great potential for restoration. It has 300,000 miles on the odometer and still runs and drives, making it a solid starting point for any enthusiast. The truck features a blue exterior and retains its original stock setup, including the reliable TBI 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Despite its age and mileage, the interior remains in nice condition, showing that it has been reasonably well cared for over the years. Overall, this is a good, restorable truck that offers both vintage appeal and mechanical soundness, a great project for someone looking to revive a true American classic. Number 10. 1986 Chevrolet C10, price $5,500. It features a V8 engine, automatic transmission, and a 2WD long bed setup. The exterior is finished in gray with a red interior, combining vintage style with solid functionality. The truck runs and shifts excellently, with recent upgrades including a new battery, starter, alternator, belt, wiper blades, and a full fluid service. Lighting has been refreshed with new tail lights, headlights, reverse lights, and blinkers. It rides on Michelin tires and Chevy rally wheels for a classic look. Inside, it's equipped with new speakers and a Bluetooth radio. With a clean title and reliable performance, this C10 is ready for daily driving or weekend cruising.